Hey guys, this is Code Rashad. Today we are going to be making this Thanksgiving game. First, you can go to the starter project, which I will have in the link below. You can remix it as the starting images and the variables you need, and also the background music. First, let's go into the turkey and code the turkey first. So first, when green flag is clicked, we want to broadcast something called start. And then when I receive message start, we want to set score to 0 and show. And then we want to go to positions already set and set XV to 0, and then forever change XV by right arrow minus left arrow. And then next we need to do change X by XV. Also we need to add some friction. Set XV to XV multiplied by 0.9. And then if touching sprite 2, we want to have the sound squawk and a new message, which I'm gonna call oops. And in this sprite, when I receive oops, we want to hide and then stop other scripts in this sprite. And let's code the fork. First, we already need a lot of clones. So when I start out as a clone, show, go to, for our X position, pick random, -240 to 240, and here we want 200, which works. And also, we will put in a forever change Y by -5. And now for the cloning part, we also need to delete the clone. So to delete the clone, we can do wait until not touching edge. And then duplicate this and then wait until touching edge. And then we can change the score by 1. That because you passed one of the forks. And then we delete this clone. And to start creating the clones, when I receive start forever, we want to put in a wait 2 seconds and create clone myself. And when green flag is clicked, hide. And when I receive oops, we want to stop other scripts in the sprite and delete this clone. Now we want to go to the end screen when we lose. So when I receive oops, we want to show, and we need our stop other scripts in this Sprite. Wait until mouse down. And then we want to broadcast start again. Because in here, in the Sprite it said, you were caught by the farmers. Click anywhere to reset. And also when we receive start, hide, and when green flag is clicked, hide. And then now if we try, we also need to show in the score variable. Let's say. And as you see, every time we get a point, once we click 10, our score gets resetted. So to make it more which makes it more sense. And I hope everyone who's watching this video have a wonderful Thanksgiving.